Did you know that 43% of Americans carry a balance on their credit cards, often racking up interest payments that can take years to pay off? If you're one of them, don't worry. Today, we're diving into how to use your credit cards responsibly and avoid falling into the most common traps that could cost you big time. Welcome back to Factful Finance, where we make mastering money both practical and exciting. Now, when you think about credit cards, what's the first thing that comes to mind? For many people, it's either a tool for convenience or a source of anxiety. And while credit cards can offer great perks like rewards and purchase protection, they can quickly spiral into debt if used carelessly. Let's take a closer look at how you can make credit cards work for you, not against you. First off, let's talk about what it means to use a credit card responsibly. It's more than just paying the bill on time. It's about strategically leveraging the power of credit to build your financial future. When used correctly, credit cards can improve your credit score, help you earn rewards, and protect your purchases. But the key word here is responsibly. Tip number 1. Always pay off your balance in full every month. This might sound like a no-brainer, but research from the Federal Reserve shows that nearly 50% of credit card holders carry a balance, and they're paying an average of 16% interest on it. That's money you're just throwing away. By paying off your balance each month, you avoid interest charges and keep your credit utilization low, two things that directly impact your credit score. But what if you can't pay off the entire balance? No worries. Here's where things get tricky. Only make the minimum payment if you have no other option. But if you can, pay a little extra above that minimum to start reducing the principal. The longer you take to pay off your balance, the more interest you'll pay. And trust me, it adds up fast. Next, let's talk about credit limits. Credit cards come with a limit, and it might be tempting to treat that limit like free money. Resist that urge. You should aim to use no more than 30% of your available credit. This is known as your credit utilization ratio, and it's one of the most important factors influencing your credit score. The higher the ratio, the lower your score can drop. So if you have a $5,000 credit limit, try to keep your spending under $1,500. Now let's discuss one of the most common credit card traps: late fees. Missing a payment might not seem like a huge deal, but it can come with serious consequences. A late payment could trigger late fees, higher interest rates, and even a hit to your credit score. According to a study by Credit Karma, late payments can drop your credit score by as much as 100 points. Talk about a financial setback. Set up automatic payments or reminders to avoid missing due dates, and always pay on time. Speaking of credit card fees, let's dive into those sneaky ones that can catch you off guard. Beyond late fees, watch out for annual fees, foreign transaction fees, and balance transfer fees. If you're not getting enough value from your card's rewards or perks to offset the annual fee, it might be time to switch to a no-fee card. And if you travel a lot, look for a card with no foreign transaction fees, so you don't end up paying more just for swiping your card abroad. Now let's take a minute to address credit card rewards. They sound amazing, right? Points for every purchase, cash back on everything from groceries to gas. But here's the catch. You have to be strategic about your rewards. Not all rewards programs are created equal. Some cards give better rewards on certain categories, like dining or travel, while others may have higher interest rates. Choose a card that aligns with your spending habits, and always make sure you're not spending more just to rack up rewards. Finally, let's talk about building your credit. If you're new to credit cards or looking to improve your credit score, here's how you can use credit cards as a tool for success. Always make your payments on time, keep your credit utilization low, and avoid unnecessary debt. The longer you use your card responsibly, the better your credit score will become, which can unlock better loan rates and financial opportunities down the road. Emma, a viewer like you, used these strategies and boosted her credit score by 80 points in just 6 months. She started paying her balance in full, kept her credit utilization under 30%, and picked the right card for her spending habits. Now, she's reaping the benefits: lower interest rates on loans, better credit card offers, and a healthier financial future. Here's your action plan. Take a look at your credit card usage. Are you carrying a balance? Set a goal to pay it off this month. Are you using more than 30% of your available credit? Cut back on non-essential purchases. And remember, the most important thing is consistency. Small changes today will make a huge impact on your financial future. This content is for educational purposes only. Mentioning any apps, products, or services is not an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. Which tip resonated most with you? Drop a comment below. I love reading your feedback and answering your questions. Want to see more financial breakthroughs? Hit like and subscribe, and make sure you don't miss the next episode of Factful Finance. If you found this helpful, you'll love what's coming next. Click the video on screen and keep learning how to take your finances to the next level.